Here I'm asked to use the diagram on the right to write an equation for h in terms of x. So in the end, I'm going to have h equals blah, 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 blah with x inside. There's a couple of ways that I could compare all these numbers on the triangle here. I could technically just say that, h and 10 have a rate that is equal to the rate of x over x plus 5. But let's talk about why that is actually true. So the reason that that's true is because when I'm dealing with a triangle like this, no matter what I have here, if I have an angle, the angle, if I were to take the tangent of that angle, then it represents the opposite side over the adjacent side. No matter how far that triangle goes out, that's true. So in this equation here, if I were to say, let's do this in green here for the small one, right? Tangent of the small triangle here is equal to the opposite, h, over the adjacent x. Whereas if I was to look at the orange here, so this is just the bigger triangle here, the angle stays the same. Tangent of theta is still the same. The only thing that changes is that my side lengths are a little bit longer. So the opposite side is 10, the adjacent side is x plus 5. And since these two things are equal, I can really just set these two things equal to each other, which h over x equals 10 over x plus 5. I multiply x by both sides, and I get 10 over x plus 5 here. Same thing would happen in my blue equation, right? I'd multiply 10 by both sides and get 10x over x plus 5. So again, maybe a long-winded way of saying this, but I just wanted you to understand why that works. So for B, it says if h is 3.2, what is the value of x? So go ahead and use my orange equation here. 3.2 equals 10x over x plus 5. I'm going to multiply x plus 5 by both sides. 3.2x plus 3.2 times 5, which is 16, equals 10x. I'm going to subtract 3.2 from 10, and I'm going to get 16 equals 6.8x. I'm going to do 16 divided by 6.8 and get this ugly number, 2.3, let's call it 353, is my rounded answer for x here. So if h is 3.2, x is about 2.353.